Floor families, Mrs. Kipe here. Hope you guys are all doing well. We're trying to help out with making things a little bit easier for you, and so we've made this document for you that we're starting called Weekly Directory. This is going to contain all the information that you need for contacting your teachers. We wanted to put it all in one place to try to make things more simple and organized for you. So each week we'll send this out to all of your iPads as well as an email to your families. So let's get started and I'll show you how it works. The first slide you'll see is a message from Mr. Eppard. He really misses seeing you guys, and it has some important information from him on this slide, as well as some just things that he wants to share with you. The next slide is a frequently asked question. So this is something that we've been getting questions a lot about, your teachers and myself, and we wanted to share it with everyone so that maybe if you're having the same question too, it can help you out. The table of contents slide is kind of an important slide you'll be using a lot. So this is where you can go and find all of the teachers' names. All you have to do is find the teacher that you're looking for, click on their name, and it takes you straight to their slide. So here's Miss Weber's slide. She's one of our first grade teachers. First, you'll see her Zoom time listed. So this might get changed from week to week, so just make sure that you double check your time if you have a Zoom coming up. In the center, you'll see your classroom QR code for Seesaw. So remember, some of our teachers are using Seesaw for uploading their work. We're also using Seesaw in specials, and we'll get to that in a minute. But if you need your classroom Seesaw QR code, you can find it here. On the right, you have your teacher's office hours. So if you need to ask your teacher a question, these are the times that they're available for that. On the bottom of the page, you'll see your teacher's email. That's for your parents if they need to contact them as well. On the right side, you've got a to-do list. If I click on this box right here where it says to-do, this actually takes you to your learning boards. So you should be familiar with this page. You also have a link for this on your iPad desktop. If you scroll down, you'll see some important information from the district. Now we have some read aloud books available, tech support ticket. If you are having trouble with your iPad and you need to let me know about it so I can help you out, you're going to click here, have your parents click here and fill out a tech support ticket. And then down below, of course, are your learning boards. The last thing on your teacher slide is the home button. So what this one does is it just takes you back to the table of contents. So back at our table of contents, we're going to check out Miss W, our art teacher's slide. And you'll notice this looks a little bit different. The specials teachers look a little bit different. We still have their Zoom information on the left. We have office hours on the right. But on hers, you'll notice instead of a QR code, we have a little thing that says click here to access your specials codes. So remember, our specials Seesaw codes are different from your classroom Seesaw codes. So if you're doing work for your classroom teacher, you have to use your classroom teacher's QR code. If you're doing work for a specials teacher, art, gym, music, or ACES, you need to use your Seesaw or your specials Seesaw codes. So if you click here where it says click here, that's going to take you to those. So we have a QR code for each grade level in specials. So these are where those codes are found. You've also gotten those sent home a few different times. So we're just trying to make sure they're available in lots of places. But if you're uploading work for specials, you'll use these codes. Our goal with this document is to try to provide you and your families kind of a one-stop shop. We want the information to be easily accessible for you and to be successful with distance learning. We realize it's kind of overwhelming, all this information we're throwing at you all the time, especially if you have multiple children in your family. So we're just trying to make things as easy as possible. If you have any questions about this document or anything else, please, please, please reach out. We're here to help you. We hope you stay safe and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye.